how to sell books, movies, and music on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sell your own products using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, Etsy.com is a platform where you can sell your own products or where you can buy the other sellers' products. And as you can see here, we have a lot of products to buy from, and there are a lot of sellers behind these products making a lot of money. So in today's video guys, I'm going to show you how to be one of these sellers and make a lot of money yourself. So let's just choose one of these products just to check it and to show you what you're going to learn in today's video. Let's choose this one, for example. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a shop page for your own products exactly like this one, how to add the pictures of your products or the video if you have one, how to add as many pictures as you have, how to set the price, how to add the options, the first description, because we still have another description, which is this one, then how to add the products details, like if it's handmade or not, the band color or whatever you have in the details. Then the last thing I'm going to show you in this video is how to set the shipping and return policies that fit your requirements or that fits your situation. So let's just close this tab. Then let's go to the first page, click on the shop manager button in your top right. Then you will proceed to setting up your Etsy shop. And in order to do that, you will need to go through 6 steps. The first one is the shop preferences, then comes naming your shop, then stocking your shop, then you choose how you'll get paid, then you set up the billing or the payment processors, then you end with the shop security. So let's start from the first step, which is the shop preferences. So here you choose the shop's language, the shop's country, and the shop's currency. So for me, I'm just going to change the currency from the Moroccan dirham to the United States dollar, then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step, which is naming your shop. So here, let's choose this name, for example. Let's remove the special characters and the spaces between words, like that, and make sure to let the name be between 4 and 20 characters. Then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step, which is stocking your shop. So here you add some photos and details about your item, fill out what you can for now. You'll be able to edit this later. So the first step before we move on to adding the photos and details, click on save and continue to see all of the required fields that we need to fill in order to proceed to the next step. So as you can see here, we have 4 required fields. The first one is photos. You will need to upload at least 1 photo. Then we have the inventory. You will need to enter the price. Then for the listing details, you will need to fill all of these red fields. Then for the shipping, same thing like the listing details, you will need to fill all of these red fields as well. So let's start from the first step, which is photos. So here, add as many as you can so buyers can see every detail. Use up to 10 photos to show your item's most important qualities. And for some tips, use natural light and no flash. Include a common object for scale. Show the item being held, worn, or used. Shoot against a clean, simple background. Add photos to your variations so buyers can see all their options. Then we have the video. Bring your product to life with a 5 to 15 second video. It could help you drive more sales. The video won't feature sound, so let your product do the talking. And for some quick tips, film wearable items on a model or show a functional item being used. Adjust your settings to record high resolution video. Aim for 1080 pixels or higher. Crop your video after you upload it to get the right dimensions. And if you want to learn how to make videos that sell, you can just click on this link. Then we have the listing details. So in this step, You tell the world all about your item and why they love it. So we start with the title. Here we enter the title of the product. Then we move on to answer these three questions. Who made it? What is it? When did you make it? So the first question, we have three options to choose from. Let's go with the first one. And then we have the second question, what is it? A finished product or a supply or tool to make things. Let's go with the finished product. When did you make it? You have three categories to choose from: not yet made, recently, or vintage. Let's go with recently. Then for the category, let's just enter the product's name, and you will have a lot of categories to choose from. Let's go with the second category, which is the box sets and collectibles. Then you will have some additional details to fill, like the primary color of the product. You can enter one of these colors. Then you have the secondary color, same as well, choose one of these colors. Then you have the renewal options. If you want to go with the automatic renewal, which costs 20 cents each time, or you want to choose the manual, which is free, and I prefer the manual. Then we have the type, if you have a physical product or a digital product. For me, it's a physical product. Then we have the description. So guys, in order to enter a good description for your product, make sure to start with a brief overview that describes your item's finest features. Shoppers will only see the first few lines of your description at first, so make it count. Not sure what else to say? Shoppers also like hearing about your process and the story behind this item. Then we have the production partners. If you have any, you can add them in here. If not, you can just close this one. Then for the section, tags, and materials, they are all optional, so let's just leave them for now. Let's skip them for later. Then for the price, make sure to give your product a fair price for you and for your clients as well. Then we have the shipping. So here, as I said in the beginning, make sure to fill all of these red fields with the right information, obviously. So let's just, for example, enter an Norwegian postal code. Let's select a processing time, 5 to 7 days, and do the same with these other fields. And the last thing is the returns and exchanges policy. You can apply the 30 days policy, or you can choose another policy by clicking on here, or even you can create your own policy. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section down below.